loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy muffin recipe just for you. The good thing about making muffins is that you don't need a stand mixer or handheld mixer. These are the tools that you need and you can adjust them according to what you have available. Divide your ingredients into dry ingredients, which are the following. Sugar in this case will be categorized as a dry ingredient. Your liquid ingredients, which consist of melted butter, 1 egg, milk. I use coconut milk on this occasion. I normally use soya milk or almond milk. These are just my preferences. And vanilla essence. At this point you can add whatever flavoring you'd like your muffins to be. Please make sure to check the description box where I'll have all the measurements of the ingredients listed. The link provided in the description box will have the measurements in grams and in cups. This is an easy muffin recipe that you can follow, but different variations can be made at this point, such as adding chocolate chips or fruits or even some cocoa powder. Add your liquid ingredients to your dry ingredients. An important tip to remember is not to overmix your muffin mixture. Just make sure that your ingredients are well incorporated, but do not overmix them. And there you have it, a simple muffin recipe that you can follow in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe.